Here's how you can multiply any number by 11 in just seconds. So our first step is to get the two outside numbers and put them on the outside. So 6 and 4. Then all we have to do is add up all the digits. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 1 is 1. And 4 plus 1 is 5. So our answer is 693,154. Choose A. Here's how you can divide any number by 5 in just seconds. Right here it's asking us what is the 1,134 divided by 5. So what we want to do is multiply the number by 2. So we multiply by 2, we get 2,268. Then all you have to do is put a decimal one place over, and our answer is 226.8. So we can choose A. This math trick makes multiplication so much easier. Alright, so if we're multiplying two numbers ending in 1, all we have to do is put 1 at the end, add the first two digits together, and put that in front of the 1, and then multiply them and put them in front of that. We get 15, and our answer is 1,581. Here's how you can convert any decimal into a fraction. Alright, so here we're asked to turn 0.84 into a fraction. So what we want to do first is see what place it's in. In this case, it's into the 100th place, and put our decimal over that place. So if this is in the hundredths, we put it over 100. Then we just simplify it. So 84 over 100, we can divide the top and bottom by 2. We get 42 over 50. We can divide by 2 again. We get 21 over 25. And we can't simplify anymore. So we can choose G. Here's how you can solve for slope in any standard equation in just seconds. Alright, so we're asked what is the slope of 7x minus 8 is equal to 12. So all we have to do is put negative a over b if a is what's in front of the x and b is what's in front of the y. So we have negative 7 over b, which is just negative 8, and that's equal to 7 over 8, so we can choose B. Whenever you get a question on the SAT or any other test asking for the sum of the solutions of a quadratic equation, all you have to do is put negative b over a, and b is going to be what's the coefficient of the x, and a is going to be the coefficient of the x squared. So in this case, we do negative 20, because this is 20, over 2, because this is 2, that's going to equal to negative 10, so we can choose A. Did you know that percents are reversible? For example, we have a question that's asking us what is 23% of 50. Well, we can instead rewrite it as 50% of 23, which is a lot easier to find. That's just half of 23, so we can take half of 23. That's 11.5, and we can choose A. Alright, so here's how we can use this multiplication method. We first do lines for all the digits. We do the 1, 1, we cross the lines with 2, cross it with another 1, and cross it with another 3. Then what you want to do is split it into sections, and you can kind of tell where the sections are by the lines. Then we do the dots, put the numbers of the dots down, and here I keep doing that. And we go for 4 here and a 3 at the end, and then we do carry the 1 from the 12 to the 5. We get 6,243 as our answer. Here's a percent trick you need to know. Alright, so we have a question asking what is 12% of 700. Well, with percents, we can write it as percent, which means just for every 100. So there's going to be 12 for every 100 in the 700, and there's 700, so all we have to do is 12 times 7. We get 84, so we can choose C.
Catch fire, then I'll change my aim. Throw my troubles at the world again.
So we're asked the question, what's 75 squared? Well, there's actually a great trick to solving this. All we have to do to square any number ending in 5 is just put 25 at the end, get our front digit, square it, so we get 49, add the digit, so 49 plus 7, that's just 56, and that's going to be your front digits, and our answer is 5,625.
You can drink my pitcher, you can call my lady, you can take my money, you can eat my lunch. Scuff these sneakers, you can say the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think I'm first, but surely finish last. Cause they